Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If you are new here, I'm Jyotishri. I'm a freelance content writer and social media manager. And if you want to learn more about freelancing, content writing or social media, you should definitely subscribe to this channel and stay connected so you don't miss any videos that I put out. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about a question that was asked by a viewer, and it is how to build a portfolio as a freelancer. So here I'm mainly going to cover how you can build a portfolio as a freelance content writer, and there are different ways to go about it. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now, when you are starting out as a freelance content writer, you really don't need to invest in a website. You can create a portfolio for free. But before you go ahead and create a portfolio, I'm assuming you don't have any experience, any professional experience that you can showcase. So in such a case, what you need to do is select some topics yourself and write something on them. You can write a 500 words blog or even a longer blog. You can write social media captions if that is an industry that you want to explore, or any kind of writing where you want to establish your expertise later on. Do some practice first and make sure you run your articles or blogs through Grammarly so that there is no grammatical or spelling mistake, because if you are sending such articles with mistakes on them, then no client is going to work with you. I have seen many writers make this mistake, and you get Grammarly for free. You don't even need to go for the paid version. You can just use the free one and run your articles through them before you publish them in your portfolio. Now, where do you create a portfolio? So the most easy thing you can do is go on Google Drive. Everyone is there on Gmail, so you do have access to all the Google apps and softwares that are there. So you basically go on Google Drive and create a folder. You can create multiple folders if you are writing on different let's say different niches. If you are writing health articles, or if you are writing social media captions for digital marketers, then you can create two different folders, and inside the folders you create Google Docs. Save your articles or save your captions in different Google Docs. So that way, whenever you are approaching someone or someone is approaching you, you can send the link of the Google Drive and that person can see the articles or see the kind of writing that you have. But I will not recommend that. Instead, I think there are better ways to go about it. Best thing that you can do is create a free account on medium.com and publish everything that you have written over there as articles. Honestly, I feel when someone is sending a Google Drive link to me, it becomes somewhat a little hard to go and check that. But if someone is sending me a link of maybe a Medium account, it's much easier to click on the different published articles and check them from there. So I feel this is better than saving everything in G Drive and sending your client or your prospect the link. The second thing you can do is create a free website on wix.com or wordpress.com. This I don't think is as easy as Google Drive or medium.com, but this is maybe better than these two, because in case you want to convert this to a paid website, you can do that in future and you will not require all the hard work from scratch. When you are creating a free website, you are already doing some work. You can basically include an about me page, a page with the samples that you have. Samples are basically what you have already written. In case you have some experience, you have maybe worked with someone for free, or you have worked with some other clients, then you can include their testimonials. You can take their feedback after you complete working with them, and if you can even use that on your website, and that is a very good way to showcase your expertise and your experience. So when you are creating such a free website, there are a lot of ways that you can customize. There are a lot of things you can add. You can even add your charges or your rates, although I don't recommend that, but if you want, you can do that also. So you basically make it very easy for the client. Now you may be wondering that you don't know how to make a free website. There are a lot of tutorials available on YouTube. You can just go and search how to make a free website on wix.com or how to make a free website on wordpress.com, and you'll get a lot of tutorial videos where they basically tell you how to create a website from scratch and everything you need to know. So you can invest one day to learn everything and to try it yourself, and I think it would be worth the investment of time that you are making. And once you have gained some knowledge, or once you have set your foot in the industry, you can obviously go for a paid website. And I've seen it doesn't cost you a lot to have a paid website. So once you have started earning from freelancing, I'm sure you'll be able to manage and get a paid website for yourself. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a big thumbs up and tell me your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any questions, don't forget to mention that also. I'll try to answer it in the comments, and if not, I'll create a whole new video on that. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video with anybody who you think would be able to get some help out of it. And thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I'll see you in the next one.